Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix 0x8096002A no error description available extract file error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error 0x8096002A on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open this CMD, click on start menu, then type here CMD, right click on that. You can see your command prompt, you have to right click on that, then click on run as administrator, or else you can just directly click here run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you have to copy paste or just type the command. The first command is dism.exe. dism should be in capital letters. After that, exe should be in small, space slash capital O online space slash cleanup. C should be capital. CLEANNUP cleanup hyphen image, then I should be capital, space slash I should be capital, slash, then restore health, then R should be capital, in restore health R and H should be capital, then hit enter. After hitting the enter, it will take some time. After that, then you have to copy paste the second command after completing the first command. The second command is sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter. It will also take some time, around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this both, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix no error description available extract file errors on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.